Assalamu alaikum. I'm Awais. I'm here to share with all of you the story of a person who has lack of confidence, poor communication skills, and too much confused about his career. So, one of his friends suggested him to join Amal. So that was his perfect decision to join Amal Academy. So you know who was that person? That person was I. Why I joined Amal Academy and what did I learn from Amal Academy? So I joined Amal Academy to learn communication skills, to enhance my confidence levels, and to learn teamwork. So was a lot of learning that we have in Amal Academy, but I would like to share important things that I learned from there. So the most important thing I learned is teamwork. I always used too much hesitate to work in teams. I always considered myself a whole person like I can do everything alone. But in Amal, I learned that if we work in team, then we can excel in an efficient way and work in an effective way. So, one most important thing that I would like to share that I had a dream to establish my organization to work for humanity. So, we had opportunity to conduct a social work, an entrepreneurship project, or anything else as our mega project. So I selected social work for my mega project. So I discussed with my team members, my Amal batch fellows, and that was the perfect time to work for humanity. So Alhamdulillah, with the guidance of Amal team, with the help of my Amal fellows, we have established Nusra Foundation, and that was my achievement. I have too much expectations from Amal, but I had learned and I had achieved a lot more than my expectations. I request to all of you and I suggest everyone that please join Amal to polish your communication skills, to fulfill your dreams, and to build a strong network of professional people. Thank you so much.